Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we will learn how to retrieve a static record using Dalfin's workflow. To begin, drag a UI trigger into the workflow. Add a title and description, then select the method, menu, and window where you want to place the trigger. Once configured, click the Save button. Next, navigate to the Data Operation Events section, where you'll find the Retrieve a Static Record event. Drag it into the workflow playground and enter a title and description. Then, select the system and source type. The available source types include department, role, and variable. Choose the one for which you want to retrieve a record. In this case, we'll select department. Now, select the record you want to retrieve. You can do this statically by selecting a specific record or dynamically by carrying data from other nodes. Once the fields are set, for viewing the record, let's suppose we want to send name as content in system notification. Pull the system notification event and add title description. Now add receivers, subject, and in content select data carry from other nodes. Now click choose from here, then select the name from the Retrieve a Static Record trigger. Now connect the workflow and publish it. Finally, go to the window where you added the trigger and execute it. After execution, the department record will be successfully retrieved through a notification.